Welcome back everyone. My name is Kus Gunnar and you are watching Becoming Kus. This is day 125. 125. Yes, we are so close. 125 means almost 4 months has passed and we are doing this day every day without skipping. So yeah, let's get into the day. Today I woke up around 10 in the morning, and the first thing I did was joining my job. So I think there won't be any slow morning from now on. No chilling, straight into the work because I sleep late at night and I do get a long sleep. The 6 hour or 4 hour sleep is not enough for me. So yeah, so that's why I have slept at 10 a.m. to wake up. Straight into the work as soon as my eyes opened. Honestly, days feels like a cycle of waking up, opening the laptop, and figuring out one by one. So around 11 a.m. We had our daily stand-up meeting. Everyone was discussing update, blockers, deadlines, and the usual corporate chaos. After the stand-up, finally went to freshen up, took a bath, got ready properly, and then sat back again for work. Most of my entire time went into setting up and adding HashiCorp bolt into the Docker container. It sounds simple when I say it in one line, but trust me, it took a lot of time and patience, and you have to like start and drop and compose and down, and fix this, fix that, fix one issue, and another one just pops out of nowhere. The deployment is never easy. Uh, I I kind of started regretting that decision. Sometimes I feel like developers spend more time debugging than actually building things. So and tomorrow is going to be really big day because I have to set up the application into the client environment. So throughout the day, that pressure was already also running in my head continuously, like when you keep things, everything should work perfectly tomorrow, that kind of feeling. So yeah, in between all of this, I somehow managed to have lunch, and honestly during work meal don't even feel like breaks anymore. You just eat quickly and get to the screen again. People are waiting for you. People are waiting for you to join again and have a conversation with them, or have, if they have doubts, solve their doubts too. The entire evening was packed with work and configuration, and I finally wrapped up things somewhat around 8 p.m. But the day still was not over. I had a couple of more meetings around 10:30 p.m. Late night meetings, honestly, but hit different because by that point your brain is already exhausted, but you still have to like sound active and focused. After all that, I finally had my dinner around 11 p.m. Super late, not late, but super late in terms of your language, in terms of your personality, but it was my daily kind of thing, and I know. But at this point, I was just happy the day was ending. Right now it's 12:45 a.m. I can show you guys 12:45. Sometimes these days feel repetitive. Sometimes my might say now every day is going to feel repetitive, tiring and stressful. But I finally start. It is my transition into the corporate world. I am. Am I happy? I really don't know right now if I'm happy about this, or these things excite me or not. But I'm getting there. But deep down, I know all this is a part of building something bigger for my future. So yeah, we keep going. And if you're also grinding every single day, trying to like build your career, your dreams, or just survive survive your adulthood, or trust me, you are not alone. That's it for day 125. Like if you like this video, you can like, subscribe to the channel, and please comment if you enjoy the vlog or not. Till then, tata, bye bye.